Hey friends, my name is Tendli Bhaji Recipe and you are watching my YouTube channel Quick Tasty Bites. So today we are going to see how to make easy and simple Tendli recipe. Now take a utensil and add some oil in it. Now let the oil get heated. Once the oil is heated, add the mustard seeds in it, chilies, onion. Now saute it nicely. Now saute the onions until it's light brown. Now add the turmeric in it, salt as required. Now saute them nicely. Now add some water in it. The tendli in it. Now cover the utensil with the lid and let the vegetable get cooked for 5 minutes. Now open the lid and once the vegetable is cooked, add some coconut oil and mix it well. Once the vegetable is ready, serve it in a bowl